Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 3. We'll start by laying down the foundational shapes, which are crucial for capturing the car's iconic stance. Think of the main body as a long rectangle, with the wheels fitting neatly into its lower corners. Aim for a length roughly 3 times the height, and ensure the wheels take up about 1/3 of the side profile. This initial step sets the stage for all the exciting details to come. Now, let's bring out the Evo 3's aggressive character by refining its body lines. Focus on those signature wide fender flares that give it such a powerful look. Don't forget the sharp side skirts and the distinctive front bumper, which contribute significantly to its sporty appeal. Carefully sketch the hood vents and the large, functional rear spoiler. These elements are key to capturing the car's dynamic and high-performance design. Moving on, we'll focus on the smaller yet crucial details that truly bring your Evo 3 to life. Carefully draw the circular wheel arches and then the intricate multi-spoke design of the wheels. Next, define the distinct shapes of the headlights and taillights, ensuring they match the car's sharp aesthetic. Don't forget the prominent front grille, complete with the Mitsubishi emblem, and add the side mirrors, door handles, and the fuel cap for a complete look. For our final slide, let's add depth and realism through careful shading. Use varying degrees of pressure to create shadows under the car, within the wheel wells, and in the deeper recesses of the bodywork. Introduce highlights on the windows and the car's body panels to simulate reflections and give it a polished appearance. Take your time to refine all your lines, ensuring they are crisp and clean, and then erase any remaining construction marks for a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.